Hi there, thank you for visiting Luscombe Motors and welcome to the walk around video of our Suzuki Swift Attitude. A 69 plate that has recently arrived into our group stock here at Luscombe Suzuki Leeds as a result of a part exchange. So Swift Attitude really does stand out from the crowd. Styled on the outside, you've got that front splitter, that carbon effect look, body kit down below there just really does enhance the front look of the car, the front spotlights as well. The polished alloy wheels, 16-inch polished alloys, and also the side skirts that run down the side of the car. You've got the rear privacy glass. I really like the spoiler, I think it looks really good. That upper rear spoiler really does finish it nicely. Again, another closer look at those nice polished alloys. And then around the back you do have that rear diffuser as well, that sort of trims around the rear registration plate, just to give the car a much more sort of rugged, sporty appearance, much more sort of aggressive look. Really does finish it off nicely. Finishing the Fervent Red as well, it really does stand out from the crowd. The car is also backed up with a full service history as well. So now let's just take a look sort of internally. We'll show you the boot space, which again, I think for the size of the car, it's a really good boot space on Swift. Nice and deep, you know, and there is room for suitcases there, most definitely. You've got a split folding rear seat if you do need to increase that boot space as well. Just move around to the side. Quite often a lot of people don't realise that a Swift is a 5-door, just purely on the location of the door handles. Right, let's have a look on the interior. You've got 3 seat belts in the back, so the car is a 5-seat car. And now we'll take a look up front. We'll just have a quick sit inside, start the car up, show you the multimedia screen as well. So, car current mileage is at 50,460. Does have automatic lights as a feature, so you don't have to worry about turning them on or off. It's got electric front windows, Bluetooth connectivity with voice activation, where the steering wheel controls are mounted just on the left there. So it does have great choice of radio on DAB, like I say, your Bluetooth. Now you will see on the screen there the yellow box in the bottom right that says no smartphone linked. So using a USB connection, you can establish a smartphone link through Apple Carplay and Android Auto. So really it acts as like your sat nav, because it doesn't have a built-in sat nav, but using your smartphone link you can use your Google Maps that way. Also air conditioned as well, so to help keep you comfortable whilst you're out and about in the car. So before you take ownership of your new car from Luscombe's, we will complete a service and an MOT. Our technicians will also complete an appraisal, focus on items such as tyres, brakes and suspension, as well as the checks that we carry out on the battery and engine management system, just to give you that extra peace of mind that you are buying a quality used vehicle that has been fully prepared in our workshop. Thanks again for watching the video.